video, essentially we're also going to replace the door. Because someone before me tapped the wall and they just painted it silver than blue. So I have an entirely new blue door, came off with another blue 350, replace the whole thing instead of having just Bondo work. Don't worry about this, this is getting done with.
Yeah guys, so we're going to be replacing the door for today.
In the mirror.
In the mirror. Unfortunately we can't just take out the door and put the new one in. We have to remove the interior and the glass. So
those of you who don't know, I have tan interior.
Unfortunately.
I wish I had the black interior.
Any donors?
Yeah, if I have a donor on the channel who wants to donate an entire black interior, DM me at GGM350Z. I will gladly come get it if you're in the Houston area.
Alright.
I think he's faster than me. He is.
Yeah, he is. But we also have to remove the glass because it has his VIN number on it. So we'll get right to that. On the time lapse.
Montage.
Montage!
I smoke too much. I smoke too much. I smoke too much.
We knocked out 2 birds with 1 stone, 2 separate videos. Bumper, tail lights, and the door. In the freezing weather of Houston, Texas.
This just doesn't work anymore.
Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the time lapse. It's crazy. It was a lot of work, a lot of time. I mean, you saw it. If you guys saw the previous video with the bumper, that was all recorded on the same day as the door. So if you see both of those, you're gonna see it go from afternoon to nighttime very quickly. Freaking Zorg from freaking Futurama.
Zoidberg. Yeah. Willie's in there, and then I guess Porsche over there, and we'll get the trash.
That's good. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Make sure to like, subscribe, even though I hate saying that. But go for it.
Yeah, and follow us on social media. Link will be in the description. Talk to you in the next one. Bye.